Hey, what's going on, traders? It's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, putting down another video for you. Once again, you know what time it is. Time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick will be for tomorrow, which will be January 14th, 2020, Tuesday. But before I get into the hot pick, don't forget to help me out with those YouTube. Yes, we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new video, you'll be right there rocking, rolling with me. It's all good. All right, let's get into it. Time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker SIX. That's Six Flags. Yes, the parks you guys all know and love had its earnings on Friday and actually missed earnings and gapped down and had some more bad news today. Yes, Six Flags Entertainment Corp plans to develop theme parks in China have progressed slower than expected. That's right. While the company, which owns and operates San Antonio's Fiesta Texas theme park, anticipates its fourth quarter 2019 revenue to decline year over year by up to $10 million. That's right. The development of the Six Flags branded parks in China has encountered continuous setbacks. The Grand Prairie-based company noted in a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Riverside Investment Group, Six Flags partner in China, defaulted on its financial obligations to the company due in part that the country's declining real estate market. Yeah, it's not clear, Six Flags officials said, whether the company will press forward with one or more projects in China or terminate its work there altogether. So all the money they pumped into it might just be a wash, which is not good news for investors. Yes, the demise of that Six Flag project is quite frankly not a shock at all to me, said Dennis Siegel, president of International Theme Park Services Inc., who said its industry consulting company has been doing a lot of work in China for a couple of years. Yes, Six Flags anticipates a $1 million hit in the fourth quarter from its work in China, which will generate no revenue. That's right. Meanwhile, attendance at Six Flags North American parks has declined in the fourth quarter 2019 compared to the prior year. It attributed the drop to missing expectation for sales of season passes and memberships, particularly during the holidays. As a result, Six Flags expects total revenue for fourth quarter 2019 to be down by up to $10 million compared to the fourth quarter in 2018. And we did see earnings miss and actually gapped down Friday and kind of just consolidated today at the bottom. But we always have to go to the charts to see exactly what's going on with my hot pick of the day, the ticker SIX, Six Flags Entertainment. Now, as you can see, let's look at the daily chart for Six Flags. As you can see on Friday, it dropped from $43 all the way down to about $36 and a low of $35. And today it just put in this doji candle and kind of bottomed out right here at this 35 area as well. Now, to look for a retracement, as you know, I'm a big Fibonacci trader. To find a retracement down at this 35 level, we have to go all the way back here to 2013. Wow, way back.
What we're gonna do right here is go back, way back into time.
Almost 6 years. And what I did, I took this swing low, extreme swing low of 31.77 and pushed it up to this swing high of about $40.80. So with that retracement level, we can see it did follow up to this 44.54, held that support 50.90. You can see the support here, and even at this 55 level, which it surpassed, it has a great support right here at this 55.41 level all the way across the board. As you can see right here, it held here, popped up, held here again, and then from here it was just all downhill from about September last year. Gap down here in October, and then again just kind of chopping in this range, and then one more gap down, which is not good news. Now, 50% retracement on this Fibonacci retracement all the way back here is this 36.28. So that's definitely a number we want to take into consideration in the long run. As you can see, it couldn't even break up that high today, and it's below all the moving averages. So looking like a very bearish chart, but we'll also take into consideration that if it can get over this 37.46 area, it has a gap to fill up into this $40.80 right here. So at least about $3.50 almost it could run up if it breaks over this 37.46 for the gap fill. But that seems light years away right now for Six Flags, but you never know. We don't want to get too biased on the trade. So let's go to the intraday chart and take a closer look at Six Flags. Now you can see I still have my daily retracements on here. This 36.28, 50% retracement is all the way up here, so very far away from it right now. I believe in the after hours it's sitting at about this 35.56, so not too bad shape. It dropped as low as $35 in the pre-market today. And let's take a look at the retracement levels here. You can see this big drop on Friday, so I take this level here, 43.14, take it to the low of day at about 35.10. You can see this 39.12 is the 50% retracement, which is still miles away. So as you can see on this daily chart, this yellow line is my daily 50 SMA, this white line is my 20 daily EMA, this blue line is my 9 daily EMA. The script I have in Thinkorswim just plots these daily EMA as a line on my intraday charts, and this dark blue line is my 5 EMA from the daily. So you can see it's below all the moving averages, so very bearish signs here. 39.12 would be a 50% retracement level on this gap down. Let's look at the intraday Fibonacci retracements for a closer look what it did today. As you can see, took this first 15-minute range as I always do on the intraday. As you can see, it followed and popped up to this 35.91 level, and kind of just holding this 35.42 is my intraday 50%. And you can see it is holding above it, and even in the after hours continue to hold above it. So tomorrow, what I want to see is definitely a hold of this 35.42 first and foremost. If it can beat this 35.42, we want to look for a push up maybe to this 36.28, which will be the daily 50% retracement. And if it could break that, see if it can at least do a test of this 37.46, which is the beginning of the gap fill. Now, if it breaks this 35.42, we could see this thing test a low of $35. And if it breaks below $35, oh boy, goodbye.
So long. See you, sucker. Bon voyage. Arrivederci, later, loser. Goodbye. Good riddance. Peace out. Let the doorknob hit you where the good Lord split you. Don't come back round here no more. Hasta visa. Kick rocks and get the hell out.
Maybe we could see as low as this 33.70 and maybe even 31.77. Maybe not in one day, as Six Flags only has an ATR of $1.55, and today it just only traveled 87 cents, although it did have a 246% relative volume. The daily average volume is 1.6 million, and there were almost 4 million shares traded today, although the range doesn't seem like it. It was kind of like a fight to hold this 35, as I could say. Like I said, you can see this double bottom forming. You can see they're trying to support it at this 35 level for sure. So if it breaks 35, we could see a lot more pain in Six Flags tomorrow and in the days and maybe even weeks to come. So those are the levels of interest to take note of. You can rewind and check out the levels I called out on this trade on my hot pick of the day, the ticker SIX, that's Six Flags Entertainment. There you go. There you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker SIX, Six Flags Entertainment. Now, it takes a lot to put these videos together, and I don't mask much of you guys. Just 3 clicks of your mouse. That's right, to help those YouTube algos out and help me out as well. Number 1, click like the video. Number 2, click subscribe to the channel. Number 3, click hit the bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new video, you'll be right there with me, learning and earning as we grow in this process. Also, you can check out the link below if you find any value in the content I put out and you make some dough. Well, donate a little bit back to your brother. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. All right, time for me to bounce on out the door. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, signing out, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.